Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. If you're a finance leader, you're supposed to be a strategic driver for the business. But let's be honest, what does your day really look like? If you're like most, it's a constant battle. A battle against time, manual processes, and the crushing weight of outdated systems. For years, financial planning has been stuck in long, rigid cycles that just can't keep up with modern business. In today's volatile economy, traditional budgeting is fundamentally broken. You're trying to navigate inflation, supply chain shocks, and market shifts with tools that were built for a much slower world. The result? Your team is drowning, and the business is flying blind. Chances are, your finance team spends hundreds of hours each quarter wrestling with a monster of a spreadsheet. You know the one. It has a million tabs, broken links, and a last updated date that's just embarrassing. This isn't just inefficient, it's dangerous. It's hiding costly errors and producing forecasts that are obsolete the second they're finished. This over-reliance on manual work is a huge challenge for finance executives. But what if you could swap that chaos for clarity? What if your budget process wasn't just automated, but actually predictive? In this video, I'm not just going to talk about AI theory. I'm giving you the step-by-step blueprint to build an automated budgeting powerhouse that your CEO and board will thank you for. For decades, finance has been stuck looking in the rearview mirror. We crunch the numbers after they happen. We report on last quarter. We spend our time collecting data instead of interpreting it. But that role is finally changing, and AI is the reason why. The conversation is no longer about if AI will change finance, but how it's already creating a new class of strategic leaders. The promise of AI in finance isn't about replacing your team, it's about upgrading them. It's about automating the repetitive, low-value tasks that eat up your team's time, freeing them up for the high-impact strategic work they were hired to do. Imagine slashing your planning time or dramatically improving your forecast accuracy. This isn't some far-off dream. It's what agile, AI-driven finance teams are doing right now. They're shifting from being historians to being architects of the future. This AI budget automation blueprint is your map to get there. It's how you turn your finance function from a cost center that reports on the past to a strategic powerhouse that predicts the future. You can't build a skyscraper on a swamp, and you can't build a predictive model on messy data. This is often the biggest hurdle for CFOs. Your data is scattered across disconnected systems from years of different software and acquisitions. So, the very first step in our blueprint is to centralize and clean up your data. Modern AI-powered budgeting tools are built for this. They plug directly into your core systems, your ERP, CRM, HRIS, and accounting software. Think of platforms like Planful, Jetix, or Cube. They act as a unifying hub, automatically pulling data from all these different places. Their AI then gets to work cleaning, standardizing, and organizing it all. This automated process does more than just save time. It creates a single source of truth for the entire company. No more arguments over which spreadsheet has the right numbers. The AI system continuously pulls and reconciles data, ensuring every report and forecast is based on the same complete, accurate, and up-to-the-minute information. This step alone gives you back countless hours of manual data wrangling and breaks down the data silos that cripple smart decisions. It's the non-negotiable first step to building an intelligent finance function. With a solid data foundation, it's time to build the intelligence engine. This is where we go beyond looking at last year's numbers and step into the world of true predictive analytics. Traditional forecasting uses simple trend lines that are easily blindsided by market volatility. AI and machine learning, on the other hand, are built for this kind of complexity. AI models analyze massive amounts of historical data to find complex patterns a human could never spot. They don't just look at past revenue. They connect it to your sales pipeline, marketing campaigns, and even external macroeconomic trends. This approach leads to a significant leap in forecast accuracy compared to traditional methods. Tools like Workday Adaptive Planning or Anaplan use machine learning to generate forecasts that actually learn and adapt. As new data flows in, the models constantly refine their projections for revenue, expenses, and cash flow, so you're always working with the most probable outcome. This is a huge leap forward. Instead of a static annual budget that's irrelevant in 3 months, you get a living, breathing forecast that gives you real foresight, allowing you to anticipate changes and make proactive decisions. And hey, if you're finding this blueprint valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post content just like this to help finance leaders like you stay ahead of the curve. Today's economy is unpredictable. What happens if our top supplier gets hit by a disruption? What's the cash impact of a 10% demand drop in Europe? How does a potential acquisition affect our debt covenants? Trying to answer these questions with a spreadsheet is a slow, manual nightmare that limits you to a simple best-case, worst-case view. This is where the third layer, dynamic scenario planning, becomes your secret weapon. AI turns this from a painful, periodic exercise into a fast, continuous capability. With an integrated AI platform, you can run dozens of what-if scenarios in minutes, not weeks. Because the data is live and the models are ready, you can tweak key drivers, hiring plans, material costs, growth rates, and instantly see the impact across your P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Platforms like Pigment or Cube are designed for this, letting leaders model multiple outcomes to get ahead of risks and jump on opportunities. This is what organizational agility is all about. It moves your finance team from just reporting the numbers to becoming true strategic partners who can provide data-backed answers to the most critical business questions. You can quantify risk, model opportunities, and guide the leadership team with a clear view of potential futures, making decisions based on robust models, not just gut feelings. The final step is making sure these powerful insights actually get used. The most brilliant forecast is useless if it's buried in a 100-page report nobody reads. This is where AI automates and elevates your reporting and variance analysis. Instead of manually exporting data to build PowerPoint decks, AI systems automate the whole workflow. They generate real-time, role-based dashboards that give every executive and budget owner the exact information they need, right when they need it. More importantly, AI is incredible at detecting anomalies. The system can automatically flag significant differences between your budget, forecast, and actuals the moment they happen. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just tell you there's a 15% budget overrun in marketing, but also points to the specific campaign that's underperforming on its customer acquisition cost. This turns variance analysis from a historical chore into a proactive management tool. Your team can stop wasting time finding the problem and start figuring out why it happened and what to do next. This is how finance drives performance and solidifies its role as the strategic nervous system of the business. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but it also sounds complex, expensive, and maybe a little risky. And you're right to be cautious. In fact, a recent survey found that 78% of US financial leaders see security and privacy as critical challenges holding back AI adoption. Let's tackle the 3 biggest hurdles: cost, integration, and security. First, cost and ROI. Let's be real, these platforms aren't cheap. But you have to look at the return. AI isn't just a line item, it's a value driver. When you calculate the savings from fewer manual errors, eliminating waste, and the massive strategic value of more accurate forecasting, the business case writes itself. Second, integration. A lot of CFOs worry that new AI tools won't play nice with their old, clunky ERP systems. It's a valid concern, but the leading AI platforms were built for this messy reality. They specialize in connecting to a huge range of systems, often with pre-built connectors that mean you don't have to rip and replace your entire IT infrastructure. Finally, security and trust. Handing sensitive financial data to an AI can feel like a leap of faith. This is why choosing an enterprise-grade platform is so important. Look for vendors with top-notch encryption, compliance certifications like SOC 2, and features that offer explainable AI, XAI, which makes the models less of a black box. The goal here isn't to replace your experts. It's to combine the speed of AI with the critical judgment of your finance professionals. Making the switch from manual, spreadsheet-driven budgeting to an automated, predictive powerhouse isn't just an upgrade, it's the new standard for a high-performing finance function. By following this 4-step blueprint, unifying your data, building a predictive engine, enabling dynamic scenario planning, and automating your reporting, you can transform your team. You'll go from a reactive function to the strategic heart of the organization, giving your business the agility and foresight it needs to win. This is how you deliver the value your CFO, CEO, and board are demanding. To help you get started, I've put together a detailed PDF of the AI Budget Automation Blueprint. It includes a checklist for evaluating AI tools and the key questions you need to ask vendors. You can download it for free at the link in the description. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comments, bell, subscriptions.